Hey guys, welcome to Data Studios. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up your Play Store. So let's begin the video. First of all, you need to open your Play Store, and here you can see that sign in option, and you need to tap that, and it will take for a while. And here you can see that they're asking for my Gmail. So in here you need to provide your Gmail account, and if you don't have your Gmail account, or if you don't know how to create your Gmail account yet, then you can see a tutorial in our YouTube channel. So I'm going to put my Gmail and click to that next option, and here you can see that they're asking for my password, and here the password, and click to the next option. And here you can see that they are asking for a verification code, and it is only for my security of my case, and click to that text. In the case of mine, I click the text, but in your case you can select any of them. And here you can see that they have given the code, and click to that I agree option, and click to that accept. As usual, you can see that the Play Store has signed up successfully. So that's it, guys. Before you go, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Until then, bye.